jumping on the bed. One slipped off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Four little monkeys bouncing around, laughing so loud, what a silly sound. Mama clapped and said with a grin, "Time to calm down and tuck right in." Three little monkeys still full of cheer, "Let's jump softly, Mama's near." They bounced so high, then landed low, giggles and tickles, off they go. Two little monkeys tried to hide under the blanket side by side. Mama peeked in and softly said, "Close your eyes, it's time for bed." One little monkey rubbing his eyes, stars were twinkling in the skies. Mama kissed his head goodnight, "Sleep tight, my monkey, till morning."